Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just not gonna hear a word because when you look this good, you listen to no goddamn body. Okay, I'll be showing you guys how I go from basic Itunu to Itunu Pepe. This is my bulletproof foundation routine, how I highlight and contour and all of that good stuff. Now let's jump right into the video then, shall we? Peep that lace. You can even clock my lace, but I still slay. Looking like a baby girl. Alright guys, I'll be starting off with my brows and my eyes already done. If you guys would like a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, please say so in the comment section below. I'll be priming with the Max & More face primer, which I got here in the Netherlands. I'll be applying it mainly to the places I get oily. I use this moisturizing primer because when my skin is not moisturized, it produces much more oil than usual. So this really helps combat that. I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade Deep Golden. That is 365, and I apply that all over my face and blend first with a kabuki brush. Even though I keep it on the low with ya, don't you ever think it's all games with ya. They say how coming down with ya. You need to take your time with this part because I don't know about you, but I prefer, wow, your skin looks flawless, to, oh, what foundation do you use? You get me. So we want this to look like skin. Okay, so yes girl, go ahead and blend it. Get that forehead, okay? Get it. Yes. Oh, did you think we were done? We're going to blend this foundation to perfection. I'm going in with a damp beauty blender. I just love this sponge so much. It takes my makeup to another level. It gives me such a smooth finish and gets rid of excess foundation just sitting on top of my skin. Going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible More Than Concealer, I'll be highlighting under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. I reviewed this concealer and foundation in an earlier video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and check it out by clicking the iCard that just showed up on the top right corner of this video. For contour, I'm applying it from the top of my ear towards my mouth, but I make sure to stop when I get under my eye. I'm contouring with this stick I got from Primark. If you're sleeping on Primark products, you better wake up. I love how it's not such a highly pigmented product. It just gives me the perfect amount of pigment and it's also buildable, which I love. So I apply this to the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, the sides of the bridge of my nose, and I promise guys, if you follow this routine step by step, you're gonna be amazed. Using a flat angle brush, I'll be blending my nose contour. This gives pretty good precision, so I would really recommend a brush like this. And with the same kabuki brush we use for foundation, I'll go in and blend out the rest of my contour. And guys, be sure to not blend that cheek contour down like at all. Trust me, it's gonna look crazy if you do. So what you want to do is stamp the product in or you work it upwards, but never ever ever downwards. Once again, we'll be going in with the beauty blender to blend the highlighted areas. The point is not to spread the product around. You want to keep it in the same position, but you also want to get rid of harsh lines of demarcation using the booty of the beauty blender. We don't want to be able to tell where the highlight starts or ends. We just want to see some flawlessness, okay? And if you notice, when I'm trying to get rid of the harsh lines, I use the part of the beauty blender that doesn't have product, so that's the booty. So that's why you have to switch it around so you get rid of the harsh lines. Right there. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it up. Slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. Remember
got to know. Even though I keep it on the low with ya, don't you ever think it's all games with ya. They say how coming down with ya, like say I bring my standard on down for ya.
You guys see how I'm taking my time with this? You gotta take your time with this. You really don't want to rush. This is what makes it perfect. Time.
I'll be your girl on the low. We gotta take it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. So nobody got to know. You want you call him a hello killer. I want to talk one bed, hello killer. I'm a machine got that hello killer. I want to talk one my day.
To set the highlighted areas, I'll be going in with BenNye translucent powder in the color Topaz and applying it with a damp beauty sponge. It's actually a mixture of banana and topaz because topaz was just a bit too orange for me. I usually apply much more powder to my oil-prone areas to make the makeup last all day. Places like my chin, close to my nose, my forehead, and my eyebrows. If you watch this video to this point and you're still not subscribed, like honestly, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go right ahead and hit the subscribe button right down below. You can't miss it, trust me. It's red and it says subscribe. I apply the same powder under my contour lines to make my contour more prominent.
Slow, remember it's on the low, let's keep it slow. Remember it's on the low, let's keep it slow. So nobody got to know. Even though I keep it on the low with ya, don't you ever think it's all games with ya.
Then I'll go in with once again another Primark product, the Loose Mineral Powder in Rich Espresso. I'll be applying this onto the places where I contoured. So once again, that's the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose. But you also see me apply this to my jawline and around my chin. This is just to make my chin look more rounded, I guess. And then on the jawline is just to get rid of your double chin, you know, just snatch that chin.
Keep it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. So nobody got to know. You want you call him a hello killer. I want to talk one bed, hello killer. I'm a machine got that hello killer. I want to talk one my day.
So after contour comes bronzer. This bronzer is by Covet in the shade Ebony Bronze. I apply this above my cheek contour, but also making sure that they are well blended together. I also apply it to my forehead for a nice transition from highlight to low light.
Baby, we can't stop now. So we gotta run the town. I'll be your girl on the low. We gotta take it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. Remember it's on.
I'll be using a big powder brush to dust off the excess powder on my face.
Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow. Remember it's on the low. Let's keep it slow.
The finishing powder that I'll be using today is by MAC and it's their Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. I apply this all over my face with a big powder brush.
Coming down with ya. Like say I bring my standard on down for ya. All the way down for ya.
The blush palette I'm using today is by Sleek. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it has these 3 beautiful shades. I basically just tap into all 3 of them. I usually just need like 1 tap in each and that's enough for my whole face. I'll be using my highlight cocktail. I had a bunch of highlighters that broke, so I just mixed them all together in one place. I apply this to the high points of my cheeks, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Applying it to the tip of my nose gives me that button nose look, and also applying it to the part of my nose where it goes in, close to my eyes, it makes it look like it's not as far in as it actually is. I'll be finishing off my face with a spray. It's actually water and rose water that I have in this NYX setting spray bottle. It gets rid of that powdery finish because I used quite a bit of powder. Going in with my Maybelline Kajal liner, I'll be lining my waterline. For mascara, I'll be using this one from Sephora. I really like it. I got it from my sister-in-law, Milani, last Christmas. She's also here on YouTube, so you guys can check her out. And to me, bottom lash mascara is just everything. It just brings the whole look all the way together. This mascara face, we just have to make such ugly faces to look pretty. I'm here thinking I want to put more mascara on, but I'm trying to convince myself that it's enough. For lipstick, I'll use a combo of this Milani lipstick in Covet with one of the nude lipsticks once again from Primark. I don't remember what exactly the shade was, but they have a couple of lipsticks, so I'll just be using Covet as a lip liner and the Primark lipstick at the center.
Even though I keep it on the low with ya, don't you ever think it's all games with ya. They say how coming down with ya.
Here we go. I can't get enough of mascara. Go on then, why the heck not? I put on mascara and now I'm happy. Give it to them, give them the dance. You are killing it, you are mothering. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. All the products I use will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you're feeling this look, give it a thumbs up right down below and hit the like button. Like, come on. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section, and also any video ideas that you guys are interested in seeing from me, please also leave those in the comment section below. Be sure to stick around and check out some of my other videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.